Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. Let's become a very big family soon.
Hello, mummies and daddies, and to the parents, to be parents, and to you, all the parents. Hello from my side. Today, we will discuss the easy way out how you can make your baby sleep and which will give you a good relaxation as well. So, we'll discuss about this, what can be done, what tips and tricks you can follow so that it becomes easier for you to deal with your infant as well as your small ones, your little ones who are not going to sleep and not letting you as well to sleep. So let's go ahead and discuss what can be done. First of all, you will have to establish a night routine so that baby understands it's a time for bed. Number 2, give a good bath, oil massage. You can read story books as well as you can sing a sweet, simple little lullabies which baby will love, which will soothe their ears, help them to get into their sleep. Number 3, take your baby to evening walk. Make it a routine because this fresh air helps them to get a good sleep in the night. Number 4, whenever you feel like your baby is rubbing their eyes or they are become cranky, they are yawning, it's time to sleep, it's time for bed. Number 5, whenever you feel like baby is after doing this all still they are not sleepy or they are not sleeping or they are crying badly, wear them up. Wear them up with the pouches you get. It's very easy to get in the market, offline or online. Get them, wear them, because nothing is more soothing than holding the close parents to themselves. When they feel they are close to their parents, their mom, dad, it is most soothing for their colic as well. Help them to release, colic. Sixth point, swaddling, when done properly, is very effective and soothing for your baby. Seventh point, put your baby in the crib or cot awake, but they are drowsy, they are sleepy. 8 point, if you feel like you need to change their diaper or you need to you need to change their clothes or you need to feed them, make sure you do it very quickly and quietly without turning on the lights. And you need to make sure that this time you do not talk or play with your kid because that can hinder their, they might feel that right now they are in a dream or they are something or the other is happening in their dream. Let them go to the dream world. Do not hinder their dream world by talking or by playing with them. So don't do that. About 60% of the babies sleep properly and they wake up once at night and they need an adult to settle them down. About 1 in 10 babies may wake up 3 to 4 times, and that also they need adult to settle them down for that. So make sure for first 6 months you and your baby sleeps in the same room, but make sure place your baby to sleep in a separate cot or crib. Number 9th point is put a flat and firm mattress for your baby. Use a firm and flat mattress for your baby. Number 10th point is make sure that computer or TV is out of that room so that there is no sound and no light at all. 11th point is make sure that the fan or the lights or heaters, if you have any in the room, that is not pointing your baby's cot or crib. It can affect or it can give a effect for not sleeping properly of your baby. So these are the points, very easy, simple tricks and tips. If you follow them, I'm sure your baby will sleep properly and they will go to a good sleep. Even I am coming up in my next video with simple a very big and simple trick which my grandmother told me. I did it for my kids and that did wonders for my kids in sleeping habits. So I will come with that as well. But first of all, these points should be stated and made a routine in you and in your baby's life, daily routine, so that they can come to a mindset that this is the time, night time, and I'll have to sleep in that. Do not entertain anything in this time. No playing, no talking, no doing any entertainment, no laughing, nothing. Just be a simple, light, and dark room with your baby. And the tips which I have told you right now, follow those. I'm sure your baby will, sleep properly. It has given me a good routine, a good, effect for my babies, and that will also give you as well. So if you have any queries for, the related videos, the tips and tricks I have discussed with you, you can comment me and ask. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.